Hello children, today I am going to discuss with you certain points on how we can develop problem solving skills. Dear parents, this is the topic we need to focus on so that the critical thinking, analytical thinking and logical thinking of our children grows. So in which areas do we need to focus on? Suppose, ask your child, when the dress is dirty, what is to be done? So either the parents have to wash or put it in the washing machine. Or when you are sick, where do you go, children? You have to take care of your health. So do you sit at home itself or where else do you go? You go to a doctor. Should not take medicine directly from the medical shop. You have to consult with the doctor first and then take the medicines prescribed by the doctor. And where do you get these medicines? Medicines are available in the medical shop. When you want to buy some bread, where do you go and buy? Yes, to your favorite bakery. When you want to buy ice cream, you go to your bakery or the ice cream parlor. Okay, and when your shoes are broken, they need some mending. Where do you go? You go to a cobbler. Okay, and when you are sick, as I told you already, you go to the medical shop. When you want to buy some books, you need extra books. Where do you go? You go to the stationery shop, bookshop. It is also called as stationery shop. Or your parents want to paint the house. Where will they go and buy the paint? They will go to a hardware shop. Okay? And then suppose you want to post your letters. Where do you go and post? You put it in the post office box, or you go to the post office and post your letters. Okay? And if there is some robbery that has taken place in your house, my goodness, it shouldn't happen, but somehow it has happened. Where do you go and give the complaint? You go to the police station and file a complaint. It is called FIR. File a FIR. What is the full form of FIR? First information recorded, first information received. Okay, suppose you want to play. Can your mother come and play with you all the time? No, your parents have their work. So you need to find friends to play with. Therefore, what will you do? How will you solve the problem? Will you play alone all the time? No, you need to find some good friends with whom you can play, right? Okay. Then when you are thirsty, what do you do? When you are thirsty, you need to go and drink some water. Not always asking, Amma, neer kodu, Amma, utta hasivagtide. All the time depending on your parents is not good. You have to wait for the particular time, be a disciplined child and eat at a particular time and drink water whenever you are thirsty. Okay? And what are the other problems you are facing in your life? If you feel sick, you have to inform your parents about it and get proper medical treatment in time. So these are the few things which children find difficult. Suppose you cannot do your homework on your own, then you need to take the help of your parents, your brothers or sisters who are ready to help you. Children, listen, you need to always take help and solve your problem when you are not able to solve it yourself. Okay then. To continue with, look at this picture on page 23 from your book of wellness. You have to match the problems with the solutions. See, you are feeling sick. What will you do? You will go to the doctor, right? At the right hand side you have, this is the cobbler, the doctor and the washing machine. So when you are sick, what will you do? You will go to the doctor, right? Therefore you need to mark like that. Alright? Then your dress is dirty. Of course, you will wash it in the washing machine or you will tell your parents to clean it. Then when your shoes needs mending, see the glue is gone. So you will go to the cobbler and mend your shoes. Okay, and then again I am repeating, parents must give puzzles, jigsaw puzzles. Okay, here the pieces are missing in the puzzle. You can find out where to fix those and complete the puzzle. One piece is missing. So which piece? See, half of the bag is here. So the other half should be somewhere. So here there is no bag. This is the bag, okay? Remember, every problem has a solution. To continue with, look at this picture on page 23 from your book of wellness. You have to match the problems with the solutions. See, you are feeling sick. What will you do? You will go to the doctor, right? At the right hand side you have, this is the cobbler, the doctor and the washing machine. So when you are sick, what will you do? You will go to the doctor, right? Therefore you need to mark like that, alright? Then your dress is dirty. Of course, you will wash it in the washing machine or you will tell your parents to clean it. Then when your shoes needs mending, see the glue is gone. So you will go to the cobbler and mend your shoes. Okay, and then again I am repeating, parents must give puzzles, jigsaw puzzles. Okay, here the pieces are missing in the puzzle. You can find out where to fix those and complete the puzzle. One piece is missing. So which piece? See, half of the bag is here. So the other half should be somewhere. So here there is no bag. This is the bag, okay? Remember, every problem has a solution. Now let us learn the parts of the computer. You see here, this is the desktop. And here it is the mouse. And the keyboard is here. Here it is the printer and the CPU is here. Okay, these are the parts of the computer. If you need to have a computer at home, you should have a CPU, Central Processing Unit, and you should have the monitor, the keyboard and the mouse. These are the essential things. These are the essential parts of the computer, okay? In this computer, you see, if we put the paper over here for printing and press the button, the printer will take the paper and then do the printing job. You see where the paper will come out. So this is the printer which is doing the printing work. And using the mouse I can open any file. Okay, so this is the start button. If I want to do paint, see here different things are there I can use for painting. So from your awareness skill book, let us see on page number 16, what is a computer? A computer is a machine. It runs on electricity. If there is no electricity, you cannot run a computer. Or there need to be a UPS connection. Only then you can use the computer. It works very fast and helps us save time and energy. You can do typing, you can send files, you can receive files, you can listen to music, you can do printing, scanning. Okay, these are the things we can do in a computer. See, as I showed you already, monitor is here, CPU is here, printer, scanner, speakers, mouse and keyboard. Okay, and also you can have internet connection using some dongles. Here I have with me dongle, Airtel dongle, or in your latest computers there is Wi-Fi connection, or you can have hotspot, or you can have broadband connections. Okay children, then you have already done this activity, most of you. Those who have not done, color this print monitor, color the printer. Okay, now where are these computers used? As I showed you, I use computer in school, I use computer in my house, and the bankers use computers in the bank, and people in the offices, entrepreneurs and so on, they use computers in the offices, and in the railway station and airport computers are used. In the shops, in the billing section, computers are used. And also in the hospital for scanning purpose. Okay, to see the internal organs of the body, scanners are used, and it is used in the hospitals. Ready to learn more? Yes? Let's learn about the animals. You know there are two types of animals. The animals which live in the jungle are called wild animals, and those who are living in the houses are called domestic animals. And also we have pets. If we rear the pets at home, animals at home, they are called pet animals. Giraffe. Giraffe, is it a wild animal? Do you have giraffes in your houses? No, they are in the jungle. Okay. Dog, it's a pet. It's a pet. Hen, it's a domestic. You don't keep hen as a pet, right? Usually you'll keep dog or cat or some parrot as pets. But we keep this in the house, but it is a domestic animal. Monkey is a wild animal. Cat is a pet. Snake, it's a wild animal. We don't keep snakes at home. We don't keep snakes as our pets, do we? Goat, it's a domestic animal. Lion, this is the wild animal. It lives in the jungle. Okay, forest. Animals living in very hot regions. What do you call hot region? Desert is a very hot region. Rattlesnake, scorpion, desert lizard, desert fox and camel. These are the animals living in the hot region. ಮರುಭೂಮಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ camel, okay, and desert fox, scorpion, desert lizard and rattlesnake. Animals living in very cold regions. You know your famous polar bear. You see in your cartoons, most of the cartoons have these polar bears. Walrus, seal, snow leopard and penguin. These are the animals which live in the cold regions. Animals living on the trees. Monkey, squirrel, koala, red panda and chameleon. These are the animals which live on the trees. Do you also learn to climb the trees? Yes, if you get opportunity, you must learn to climb the trees. It's a very good hobby, not habit. It's a very good hobby to play on the trees. You can enjoy a lot, okay? Now, animals living in and around water, they are hippopotamus, whale, frog, alligator and turtle. These are the animals which live in the water or around the water. Here in this page number 24, you have an activity, sticker activity, wherein you have to sort and paste the stickers of the animals in the right columns. Animals living on trees. Find out which are the animals living on trees. Animals living in very hot regions. Find out which are the animals that you already learned living in the hot regions, and animals living in very cold regions. Okay, this is the activity you need to do with your stickers. Now, sounds of animals. You can download from Play Store an app for sounds of animals. Okay, it will give you exactly from Play Store. Download the app Sounds of Animals. Okay, the horse neighs, the cat mews, the duck quacks, the dog barks, the hen cackles, the monkey chatters, the sheep bleats, the elephant trumpets, lion roars. Learn the sounds of the animals and do the mimicry of these animals. Okay children, that much is for today. Have a nice time. Bye bye.